Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound wrinkles on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to check the volume during a call using side buttons. So first, we want to go to the phone app. Here, if you have the recent call, what are we going to do is we're going to press the volume up button, which is right here. And as you guys can see, now I'm not in the call and I am increasing the media volume, which is wrong because we have to be in an active call. So you can call up somebody, and once you call up somebody, you will be able to change the volume. Now, after changing the volume here, what are we going to do is we're going to simply go over and disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. But before that, I also want to show you that it sounds and vibration and volume. You do not have a call volume, so be careful, you cannot change it here too. Now let's go back to Bluetooth. Here in connections, make sure that this switch is gray. If it's blue, then that means it's enabled. We want to make sure that it's turned off. And what are we going to do now? Yes, here we should notice the earpiece. So right at the top here, we should definitely notice an earpiece. As you guys can see, it's really hard to see on the camera, but I definitely see it. You guys can basically just drive around with the soft brush, for example, here. So that will definitely help you with cleaning your earpiece if it's dirty with dirt or etc. And now what you guys want to do next is simply restart your phone. So we're gonna restart our phone, press the power button and volume down button. Keep on holding them until you see the power menu and tap on the restart twice. So let me do it again. Restart, restart, and of course I have to draw the pattern now. As you guys can see, it's turning off and turning back on, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what are we gonna do is, of course, we're gonna go to the home screen. Now we can try testing another call, or we can just change the entire app. So for example, if you're using phone, you can try use WhatsApp. You can try and use any single app that just has the call support. Now, what are we gonna do as a last resort is we're gonna reset our network settings. So open up the settings app. From here, you wanna scroll down until you see general management and click on reset. Here, we're gonna click on reset mobile network settings, click reset settings, and of course you have to draw the pattern in order to continue. Now, the last button, reset, and you see the confirmation on your screen. So, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.